Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you detailed reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of masquerade masks with a focus on elegance and style. If you're searching for the best black masquerade mask for women, look no further than the MYMENU Shiny Rhinestone Venetian Party Prom Ball Metal Mask. This exquisite mask by MYMENU is not just an accessory. It's a statement piece that promises to steal the spotlight at any event. Crafted with intricate filigree metal and adorned with shimmering rhinestones, this mask combines beauty with comfort. Its unique design allows for a perfect fit, ensuring you feel as good as you look. Whether you're attending a masquerade ball, a themed party, or even a carnival, this mask promises to elevate your ensemble. Its versatility makes it suitable for a variety of occasions, from Halloween parties to formal balls and everything in between. Compared to other masks in its category, the MYMENU mask stands out due to its intricate design, high-quality materials, and affordable price point. It's a blend of elegance and durability that few masks can match. Now, let me show you how easy it is to wear and adjust this mask. As you can see, the elastic bands ensure a secure fit, allowing you to dance the night away without worrying about it slipping. In conclusion, if you're looking to add a touch of sophistication and allure to your next event, the MYMENU Masquerade Mask for women is an excellent choice. Its intricate design, comfortable fit, and sparkling rhinestones make it a standout accessory that's sure to turn heads. Whether it's for yourself or as a gift, this mask is a must-have for any masquerade enthusiast. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Have you tried this mask before? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay stylish and see you soon.